How are you? I hope everyone is all right. This video is in regards to LazyBoy Hedger. This is a new EA that directs its power at making a lot of money out of big trends, or you can choose what size of trends you want to go with. The safest is the very big. So you can see here we have first input, which is commodities market. This is for dealing with gold and silver and such metals. And if you want to deal with currencies, you can choose false here. So basically, we're going to choose true. And then for the trend size, it's set at by default very big, and this is the safest setting. You can go with others, but drawdown is the best with this setting. Now for the other stuff, such as lot size, I'm setting at 1. You can set it, for example, 20% of an ounce, 50% of an ounce and such. So we'll try it with 1 for now. Also, we can use lot percent. So if I have 1 ounce, I can use 20% of that ounce based on balance. So if I want to use this setting, I have to switch it to true. But for now, we're going to try it with false. Also, the second setting, which is a dynamic lot size. Dynamic lot size is basically, instead of using a static lot size, for example, here we have 1, we can actually say, enable this to true, and say I want to use 20% of my balance, or 50% of my balance, or 80% of my balance, right? So for now, I have 20%, but I'm not using it. I will not use it for the first test. So I'm going to set it to false. Also, I have another setting for the dynamic lot size, which is when will the dynamic lot size start kicking in. So I have at 10,000. You can say start from 0. So if I have balance of 0, I will start from that. If I have balance of 100, I will start from 100. If I have set at 10,000, for example, if I have 5,000, I will not use that dynamic until it reaches the 10,000, then I will start. This is if I have it as true, but I'm not going to use it for now. So I'm going to leave everything at default. Also, the last setting, which is multi-positions. Multi-positions, basically, here we were dealing with lot size. Here we are dealing with position size. So instead of opening just 1 here, I will only open 1 position. But if I enable this to true, and then I will say open 2 positions at a time instead of one position. Also, I will use percentage of the balance. So if I have 10,000 balance, I will use percentage of that balance. If I have 100,000, I will use 100,000. I will use percentage of that as well. So I have it at 83%. So 2 positions at a time, 83% of the balance. And also, if I don't want to use my own settings here, 2 and 83%, then I can enable the presets. Presets, I have 10 of them, or 12 of them, from 1 to 12. The best that will give the best money is number 1, and so forth. But for now, I'm going to switch this false and also this to false. And we'll go to settings, and you can see it's called LazyBoy Hedger. We're using gold, 1 minute. Custom period, basically this year, beginning of this year, until today, 8th of December. And we have delay of 10 milliseconds, and we're using every tick based on real ticks. And we'll hit start and see how this performs. So we're trying to only catch the very big trends. We'll not catch small trends. Sometimes small trends will be fake trends. So this is the basic setting, basically. And you'll see here that it caught 1 in January, big one, and it caught another one in March, actually few ones in March, because in March we were having ups and downs so much. In May we didn't have any. In July we had, and also in August we had few. We had two or more, and you can see how nicely it's going up. Oh, I had only one loss here, which is in November, and then it caught up again and it made more profit. You can see the back test, the results. We have only 6% drawdown. We made 47,919. Only loss is 3,413, and we made 44,506. This is with not enabling any dynamic lot size or position sizing, multi-position sizing. So if you go back here to our settings and we say, okay, we want to enable the dynamic, and we'll leave it at 10,000 and 20%. I'll try that again. Start. It will catch the same trends, but instead of using only one lot size, it will multiply the lot sizes, and you can see that it goes up so high in no time. We just reached March, and we have almost over 100,000, and June we got over 200,000. August we have 400,000. Same time we have this small loss, and then we caught up again and again, and then we got all the way up to 600. A gross is 867,000. We lost only 182,000, and net is 600,085. Now, if we switch this off to false and we choose multi-position, this has both. It has multi-position, and it also has sizing of the lot size. It takes balance, percentage of the balance. So if you reach 1,000,000, then we'll take a percentage of the million. If you reach only, for example, 1,000, we'll take small percentage of that as well. So we'll try that again. And you can see right away in beginning also of January, it jumped so high. So it's catching the same trends, but instead of using fixed lot size and just one position at a time, it's using more positions, and it's using percentage of the balance. So you can see how much it gone up in August. Same place that we have a small loss, but it catch up again and again, and you can see how much it went up to. So we made gross 2,197,000. Only loss is 344,000. Out of that is nothing, and net is 1,853,000. So this is how much you can make with this EA. And of course, you can use other stuff. You can play with these things. Instead of catching the very big, you can use big. You can use medium, whatever. You can play with these settings and see which one is working better for you. And you can also use the percentage of the lot size, and you can use both positions and percentages at the same time. This EA is released on my website and will be soon released on MQL5 website. On my website, you can grab it, download it, test as much as you want. If you want to purchase it, you make the payment through PayPal or Western Union or whatever. It's on all less than on my website. And then once you make the payment, then I'll send you the password for this code. So you can use it on real account or demo account live. So you can use it live, not backtesting. So this code is only for backtesting. As well, if you download it from MQL5 website, it's only for backtesting. Once you purchase it from MQL website, then you will be able to test it or have it start working on real account or demo account. Have a good day and see you soon.